What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Couching Rockets here. Hope y'all are having a good weekend. I'm gonna drink some coffee really quick. I know that might sound weird to some people. Um, just worked 3 12-hour shifts. I'm exhausted. Last night was busy. Friday, we got exactly what we were looking for. They came to our high volume node we were looking to buy at, and I mean we were only looking for previous day value area high or possibly single print area. They just smashed through that and kept going. At the end of the day, we sold off, which is not really good for the bullish scenario, right? This looks pretty weak. The only thing that's strong here is that we didn't make a lower low. However, where we open today on futures is going to be pretty important. I mean, we're already open, but I don't want to look at it yet. All right, let's start erasing stuff. Yeah, 312s hurts. I guess the worst part is I didn't get very much sleep. What was it? Saturday was my wife's birthday. And I came home in the morning, picked up my son, and we went to the florist and like got flowers, whatever. And then because of that, I didn't get to bed till like way later, and then I couldn't fall asleep, and then I woke up at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, which is super early. When you're working 12-hour shifts at night, 2 o'clock in the afternoon is 2 o'clock in the morning for the rest of the world. All right, let's get into this. Shorty's going to be live in about an hour, so I kind of need to be quick. I should be trading live tomorrow. Possibly. Pretty fucking tired. Alright, we need to do our weekly levels. Oh, we kind of forgot to talk about something fairly important. I mean, I guess we'll get there. Whatever. Y'all should know anyway. What level did we hit that we were waiting very patiently for since October? Nice, bike builder. So we do have a poor high at the top, single prints at the bottom. Pretty sure we're looking weak. I would love to see this. That's crazy. Trump messing with Powell. Hey, what's up? Zoom out, big picture. We finally hit 695, which we've been watching since October 26th. Probably, well, definitely deleting this. This is going to be an important level that we need to hold right about there. If we want to go higher, bulls holding this is going to be important. I mean, they could still go higher if they go lower, but this will be a good launching point for more upside. Volume on Friday was great. Obviously, bullish candle. Let's look at futures really quick. Actually, let's not do that. Let's look at our fear and greed index. I would assume we're in neutral still, possibly in slight fear. Okay, we're in neutral. Calendar for tomorrow, nothing. We have CPI on Tuesday. PPI on Wednesday. So tomorrow might be just kind of choppy based on that PPI and CPI. All right, let's check out futures. So we opened above the close and then came down to Thursday's previous day value high, bounced right around to 7,000 and then dumpage. They're probably taking this significantly lower. Again, I would be looking for this kind of area. Bouncing from these single prints would be freaking spectacular. Let's look at our cluster charts, imbalances, see if we have anything as sexy as this. All right, let's start here. There is nothing. This is pretty big, but probably just for futures. And I just barely missed it. This here is already played out, unfortunately. Full body candle below. Retest. Oh, was this today's open? Wow, I should have been paying attention. That was a great short. All right. None of this is helping us for tomorrow. Or, yeah, that's going to be stuff for futures right now. We're at a fairly key level where they could bounce or they could come to here. For tomorrow, really would like to see this. Distinctly possible, but we're at all-time highs if this happens, so it would be hard to know where to close your position. This is really like it. We're also watching for this. And then there's one more. If we lose 2025 Valeria high, retest, you can bring it to here. All right. That's all I'm going to have. I should be live. I know this is like a short video, but yeah. Anyway, I should be trading live tomorrow. There's Shorty's going to be live in about 50 minutes. And he's going to be doing an update on futures. Also talking about stocks for long-term position, long-term portfolio. So if you're an investor, it's definitely not something you want to miss. I'm going to screenshot this, post it in Keenan's, and then if you guys have any questions, now would be the time. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm feeling super tired. And I've got stuff I need to take care of. So, do I think PCs are good investments? I don't think a PC is an investment. at all. PCs literally lose money the second you buy them. Um, Even if you were to buy the absolute most current, best everything today, within months it would already start to be, not, I don't want to say outdated, but it would already start to be, no longer the best of everything. Computers are not investments. I mean, depending on how you look at it, but like, if you have a computer for trading, yeah, it's an investment in your trading. But the computer itself, like the minute you buy it, it's pretty worthless. RAM is insane right now. Um, yeah. Um, I have some somewhere. I have 32 gigs of RAM sitting on my desk here somewhere, but I can't find it. It won't be public on Keenan's, no. It'll be for doctorate and or dean's list members. Yeah, exactly the same as buying a car. Um, I talked about this last week. Like, it's not my thing. Like, Keenan's Discord is Keenan's Discord. Keenan wants, or I mean, like, this isn't like a must, but he would like for me to go live once a week for doctorate and dean's list members. And for the most part, I try to do that. Um, but the first time I'm going live of the week is always going to be just for dean's list and doctorate members. Again, not my doing. When my channel was public, in his Discord, I would go live, you know. Same thing I'm doing now, nothing's changed. But he's changed the permissions for my channels, and that's what he wants, and it's his Discord. So, I just follow the rules. Yeah, no, memory is not going to be coming down in price anytime soon. Alrighty. Doesn't look like we have any questions. I feel like I haven't seen my family in 3 days, so I'm going to go try to spend some time with them before Shirley goes live. And hopefully I see you guys in the morning. Again, there really is a fairly good chance that I won't even be live at all. Um, we'll just see what happens tonight. Right now, I feel like I've been kicked in the head by a horse. Um, so, yeah. But actually, normally, like, whenever I work, because I slept today just for like 4 hours. So normally, like, I'll go to sleep tonight and wake up at like 3 or 4 in the morning. So I should be live in the morning, but again, we'll just play it by ear. I'm not making any promises. Um, yeah, as always, much love, much respect to everybody. We'll see you in about 45 minutes for Shorty's stream. Make sure you tune in. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.